Crackers, this is Mechanical Crackers, and what? I got beat for frickin' ricegum. It had to come. The day frickin' come. Woo! Okay. I knew this kid has to be roasted, but I'm not a rapper though. So, here we go. Man, why you up in here roasting Jake Paul? Thinking you can flex everything that's race, y'all. Thinking everything is on the beat, ayy. Distracting up in here, not gonna geek, ayy. Think you can roast stuff, but you can't roast. Hair life look like it get hit by a bus, man. You gon' look like you're in the comment. Hey, look like you gay, ayy. Think you got shot in the face, ayy. Think you could stand me, bro, with the say from me. I know you're gonna listen to this, cause if I got another subscriber, then you gonna listen. Did I rhyme? Ayy, did I gonna rhyme? Ayy, so we gotta sound. Ready for the diss track. This is it, mother. Got that wrist rack. Coming at the crew. Team F is that. Think you couldn't roast me, man, you got into the rat. This is Team F. Come on and do it. If you think I'm gonna copy your Jake Paul, you and come on. Think you couldn't stop it. Think you could, mother. I can't come it. Think you got it for a rival. Got subscribers. Wait, what? Now die fun. Ah. Yeah. Yes. That is a freaking diss track on ricegum. He just got roasted gum. He don't know what he's messing with, gun. He don't know what he's doing, bruh. This diss track probably made him so freaking like, oh my god, that he's probably gonna quit YouTube or not. I don't know. I'll see you dudes in the next video.